What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Modded Projects Garage. Today we're going to be going over to my brother's house. We're going to grab him, Eric, and then we are going to head over to my buddy's house, Cory. He has a Fox Body Mustang. He just got it running. Well, I'll talk to him more when we get there, but he has the FiTech fuel injection system on, so we're going to go see how that's working. Look at them beads. Pretty. I'm gonna hopefully try and get this old girl ceramic coated this summer before Buggies and Blues here in the Bismarck area. So we'll see what happens. Eric. That'd probably be a good race. The Prius and the old 90 GMC. We need to go to Mexico, Eric. The YouTube channel. The thing does look pretty sick, though. The best part is the completely old stuck school hose that you got on there. Where did you, is that what came on it? Yeah, so the engine block came with the car. All this was sitting in the trunk. But like all the other accessory drives, all brand new. The radiator came with the car. God, those headers look so pretty. That's sexy, right? Mm-hmm. What brand are those? No idea. Fleabay. Okay. They do look good, though.
CRX racing, probably.
Sure. The old FiTech. I really like the Griffin radiator that actually doesn't fit the car. It's supposed to be about 3 inches wider. Yeah, than what it is. It's got the electric fans on her. Yeah, I need a relay for them. So the custom, the custom radiators. Yeah, it does the trick though. She's a beast. Fires right up the old FiTech. Yeah, we'll see. Okay. I need to cycle it once, I know. Alright.
Do you need the battery on? Battery cable?
Yeah. What kind of you put a cam in here, right? It's supposed to have a B303 in it. Mm-hmm. I don't know if that's what it is. How loud is she? Find out? Not really loud. The suspense. I gotta do some adjusting here. Does this... Oh, that's the handheld controller? Yeah. So what do you have to do? Just type every time you take the battery off, or? No. So it saved this. Mm-hmm. And it made a few adjustments. Mm-hmm. And then you just save it, send it to ECU. But you have to have the key to accessory in order to do that. Mm-hmm. And I didn't do that last time. That's why it would only run for... Yeah, for all 20 seconds, then she'd die out. Let's try this again. Oh, just the smell of the old gas. Oh, yeah. Dude, that is some old gas. Well, fuck, just pretty loud, though. The stupid thing is, I'm going to have to pull it out and either drain the tank and refill it, or I'm going to have to
just let it run all this old gas out of it, but
Well, you don't have that much gas in it, do you?
it's got like 3/4 of a tank because it had a little bit sitting in the bottom.
Yep.
Dumped 5 gallons of premium in there, and it did this. Like,
Yeah, holy.
Freaking kidding me.
It smells like 1993.
Smells like 1989 vintage to me.
Yeah, what year is this? 89?
89. But yeah, I pulled don't even use the water pump pulley. So, stupid thing is, I was measuring for the belt.
Yeah.
And so, I don't know how the hell I did it. But when I was measuring, apparently I missed a pulley somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Because I was like, belt's too long, and I thought I was going to have to get a different one.
But you forgot about the...
No, I ran it over top of the, primary pulleys that I was going to need.
Mm-hmm.
She fits just fine. So I don't know.
Everything looks so nice and pretty up here. You have this one.
Yeah. It's because I'm cheap.
Yeah, she looks good, though.
But, yeah, I took her on her maiden journey all the way to the rear bumper of the pickup.
And then backed her back in, or what?
Yeah. Well, I had to... I see all the oil spill down there.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to clean all that stuff as best as I could.
And now you're going to sell it.
Maybe. We'll see.
I think you better keep her.
She's running a lot better than I thought it was. Or than it was yesterday, like I said.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm tempted to get the old FiTech for the old stroker.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
But of course, I do have some stuff that needs to be fixed on here. Like, see my Cheese Whiz throttle bracket?
Mm-hmm. It's just kind of... What did you use that off your old setup, or?
No, this is diamond plate.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. Yeah, you should see my my 700 R4 bracket on my. I had to completely just make it.
Yeah.
Because it didn't have like the correct geometry for the carb that I have. So I had to like make my own and make measurements and stuff on it.
What I'm gonna end up doing is it's gonna get redone. It's still gonna be out of diamond plate, but I'll bring it over here a little bit, and it'll tap in here with another bolt.
Mm-hmm.
That way
it
it
just
doesn't
keeps it more sturdy.
Yeah, it doesn't swivel on you. So.
Well, let's do a burnout, huh?
Yeah, right in the garage.
Her first burnout. Didn't even get her on the road, and I got a ticket.
That would be sweet.
Yeah, she.
Are you just gonna leave the vacuum advance capped or what?
No, I'll plug all that stuff in. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than I originally thought.
Mm-hmm.
But so today I was doing all the radiator hoses and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
Back that up a little bit. So finishing up the radiator hoses, I'll fill it up with coolant.
And what is this again?
That's a 302. It's got 351 heads on it.
Mm-hmm.
B303 cam, and then L-Brock intake.
Decent.
Yesterday she was kind of running like crap.
Yeah, she sounds pretty loud. Did you see the whole door? Just
Yeah, and
she's got some.
that's a concern of mine too, because I don't know.
If it should be shaking that much, or
Yeah,
what?
it feels like the crank might be a little bit off balance or something. I don't know.
How bad's the engine? And you can just go through all your gauges like that too, huh?
Yeah, you can. Oh,
Yeah, that is some nasty gas, man.
that's bad.
I think it'd do pretty good against the Prius.
Oh, think I finally have a chance?
Yeah.
The good thing is, like, once all the smoke clears out of the interior.
Tire smoke from the burnouts.
Yeah. The interior is actually not that bad.
Yeah, it's pretty decent shape. All right, well, peace out.
All right, you guys have a good one.
Later.
Later.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Cory's definitely going to be in more of my videos. He's got a ton of projects going on, as you can see. Hopefully he gets his Mustang going. We're going to be stopping in time to time to check on that. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, drop a like, comment. Today's video obviously wasn't a how-to on the FiTech. It was just kind of like a startup. He got it started, I think, yesterday or the day before. I just wanted to go check it out because I'm thinking about doing that to my 87 Shortbox truck. Haven't decided yet. Obviously, I'm going to have to save up a little bit to get it. But, you know, if all goes well, I'm definitely interested in doing the FiTech. Thanks for watching, guys.
Those deer alone, they didn't do anything to you.
Take them and hide to feed them.